You don't lack ideas. You don't lack talent. You lack the right mindset system. You say you want to start a business, but your routine is messy. You wake up late, scroll for 40 minutes, feel busy, but build nothing. By night, you feel guilty. You promise yourself, tomorrow I'll start seriously. But tomorrow feels the same. Listen carefully. If you're a student trying to start a profitable business, your problem isn't money, it's mental structure. Today, I'll give you a simple, science-backed mindset system that turns average students into focused builders. No hype, no fake motivation, just psychology that works. Before strategy comes identity. Most students think, I'm trying to start a business. Wrong frame. High performers think, I am a business builder. Small shift, massive difference. When your identity changes, your actions follow. If you see yourself as just a student, you'll prioritize comfort. If you see yourself as a future CEO, you'll prioritize growth. Tomorrow morning, do this. Wake up and ask yourself, what would a serious business owner do today? Not what feels easy, what builds revenue. Write one task that moves money. Not research, not planning, something that creates value. Post your first offer. DM 10 potential clients. Build one landing page. Outline one product. One action before noon. That's how identity forms. Now let's fix your biggest enemy, distraction. You sit to work, open your laptop, check YouTube for research. Suddenly, 45 minutes are gone. This isn't laziness, it's dopamine mismanagement. Your brain chooses easy reward over delayed reward. A profitable business is delayed reward. Scrolling is instant reward. So we reverse it. Use one 90-minute profit block. Phone away, notifications off, timer on. During those 90 minutes, only revenue-building tasks. No logo designing, no rearranging folders, no watching another course. Revenue first, polish later. When the timer ends, you rest guilt-free. Burnout doesn't come from hard work, it comes from scattered effort. Now let's talk about the real reason you procrastinate. You're not scared of working, you're scared of failing publicly. That's why you delay launching, delay posting, delay selling. Your brain sees risk. So here's the reframe. Embarrassment is data. Every awkward post teaches positioning. Every ignored offer teaches targeting. Every small failure sharpens skill. Students wait to feel confident. Entrepreneurs act to become confident. Confidence is built, not downloaded. Launch before ready, improve after feedback. Perfection is procrastination in disguise. And deep down, you know that. Now here's how you prevent burnout. Every evening, do 3 simple things. Write 3 wins from today. Write 1 lesson. Plan tomorrow's 1 money task. This creates mental closure. Your brain relaxes. You sleep better. You wake up clearer. Without reflection, your mind feels behind. With structure, you feel in control. And control kills anxiety. Starting a business as a student is hard. You have classes, assignments, family pressure, limited money. But you also have one massive advantage: time to learn valuable skills cheaply. You don't need millions. You need skills that produce income. Marketing, sales, editing, copywriting, AI tools, content creation. A profitable business is simple. Skill plus attention plus consistency. Not motivation, consistency. You don't need 10 hours daily. You need structured 90 minutes daily. That's it. I know what it feels like to want more, to feel average, to feel stuck, to wonder if you're capable of building something real. You are, but only if you stop negotiating with comfort. No one is coming to push you. This is your season to build. Morning, identity first, 1 money action. Afternoon, 90-minute deep profit block. Evening, reflect, reset, plan. Repeat daily. It's boring. It's simple. It works. Wealth doesn't reward hype. It rewards systems. If you're serious about building a profitable business this year, stop waiting to feel ready. Start acting ready. Comment Builder Mode on if you're done playing small. Subscribe if you want practical business psychology every week. And share this with a friend who keeps saying, "I'll start soon," because soon becomes never. Let's build.